Deforestation, the clearing of forest cover due to human activity. Deforestation in modern times has become sort of a necessity. Just think about how many paper products you use daily. Forests are being cleared every day to clear land for agricultural use and to look for oil or other precious materials. Not to mention humans' insane amount of needs for fancy houses and good food. Needs that exceed the rate that natural resources are being produced. Human overpopulation increases pressure on natural habitats. Whole forests are being cleared just for housing. That means that we require more and more consumer products and take up more and more of space on our finite planet. The impact of deforestation on wildlife is immense, since about 70% of our planet's land animals and plant life live in forests. The forest canopy regulates the temperature and the habitat of these species. A lot of animals actually have their habitat on the trees. In addition to protecting wildlife from extreme heat in the day and extreme cold in the night, the forest cover is essential to regulating the water cycle. Without canopy cover, the water that is normally shaded and safe in the soil quickly evaporates. In addition to helping the soil hold on to water, trees store large quantities of water while letting out only a small and steady amount into the air. When we started researching the topic of deforestation, we found out through the analysis of satellite images that over the past 12 years, we have lost 888,000 square miles of forest. In addition to the forest lost, the same study revealed that 34% of what was cut down actually regrew. We took the amount of forest lost and divided it by 12 to get the square miles of forest lost per year, which was 74,000. Next, we added in the regrowth factor of 34%. When we subtracted the 25,160 square miles of regrown forest from what was lost, we arrived with a net loss of 48,840 square miles of forest per year. The next step was to find out how much forest we have left to lose. As it turns out, we only have 17,253,000 square miles of forest left on our planet. That's only about 1/3 of our land surface, and just 1/10 of the planet itself. Then we divided the total amount of forest left on the planet by how much we lose every year, which would give us the number of years we would still have with forest. Our forests only have an estimated amount of 353 years. That's only 3 generations away. We need to seriously reconsider our approach to consumerism and natural habitat conservation, not just for the plants and animals, but for ourselves too. Did you know that it takes 22 trees to provide enough oxygen for one person? That means that an entire acre of trees can only provide oxygen for 18 people.
Trees are the basics of life, and if left unprotected and taken advantage of the way they are now, not only forests, but our whole world could be in jeopardy.
We hope this video has given you some perspective. This issue is a global one, and it will take a serious cultural change before we can find a solution.
It's the basic things, like wash your plates instead of buying paper plates. And in the end,
Change starts with you! Maybe we should just leave that one.